Trigger. Dev claims to be the best background jobs platform for developers, but does it live up to the hype? If you're looking to streamline your workflows and optimize performance, stick around as we dive into what this platform really offers. Trigger.dev is designed to help developers manage background jobs effortlessly. At its core, the platform automates the scheduling and execution of tasks that run behind the scenes, which can be a game changer for applications that require heavy lifting without user intervention. What stands out immediately is its user-friendly interface, which seems aimed at making the onboarding process as smooth as possible. You can easily integrate it into existing projects, and it supports various programming languages, which makes it versatile for many developers. However, while it looks promising, I noticed some areas that could use more clarity, especially around its pricing structure and detailed feature sets. For example, the documentation could benefit from more real-world examples to help new users understand how to implement it effectively. Overall, it seems tailored for developers looking to improve efficiency, but there's a slight learning curve involved. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Trigger.dev's ease of use and integration capabilities are definitely strengths. It can save developers a lot of time by automating routine tasks, which is a major plus. However, there are some frustrations worth noting. The pricing details aren't very transparent, which could deter some potential users. Additionally, while it's user-friendly, developers who need advanced features might find it lacking in customization options. Also, it's not clear how well it scales for larger projects, which is something that serious developers might want to consider before fully committing. So if you're just starting out or have smaller projects, this could be a great fit. But for those with more complex needs, it might be worth exploring alternatives that provide deeper functionality. In summary, Trigger.dev offers a solid solution for developers looking to manage background jobs more efficiently. If you're working on smaller projects, it's definitely worth a try. However, if you need advanced features or clearer pricing, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it feels like a promising tool, but approach with a bit of caution.